Here we go again, C-130 coming in. We're just doing maneuvers. Okay, check out this noise afterwards. Neat as heck. But they're just doing maneuvers today. They ain't even touching down, doing like false touchdowns and come back up. Comes a little tiny plane. Oh, it's a Marshall plane again. I think they're teaching pilots how to fly. Here he comes, going back around the other way. You can see him. Where'd he go? There he is. Get that noise one more time on here. Sounds like turbulence. Oh, it sounds like something. I don't know. I'm assuming it's turbulence. All right, we'll get him coming back in. Here we go. And here he comes. Last one. All right, check this noise out now. That's like neat as heck. I have no idea what it is. Assume turbulence, but it came in a lot louder last time. Well, not the last time, but another time before I was recording, but it was pretty neat. All right, y'all enjoy. Have a good day. We will see y'all on the next one.